Hi everyone, and welcome back to another video. And after what happened in the last video, where all the wood got chopped up, first Flack had this idea of buying a chainsaw, but he's bought one of these mini chainsaws. Comes with a 6 and an 8-inch blade. So we're going to give that a trial run today, see how that goes, and see how that works. That might save us some time, actually, in getting the old wood prepped. What can I see by here then? What is that? What is that? That be a frying pan. I'm pretty sure that fire is exactly how it was left. Yeah, it's exactly how it was left. We have this. Don't remember that being there. But that frying pan, 100%, was definitely not there. Weird. Anyway, let's get over to camp and we'll get that chainsaw going. Alright, walk over there, Flack.
This is a mini chainsaw thingamajig.
Mini chainsaw thingamajig, guys.
Yep, so hopefully the battery might have a bit of charge in it so we can try it out. So we just bought some oil anyway, just in case. Yep. So yeah, we'll have a go, is that? Just got to figure out how to open it.
Best unboxing on YouTube now, this will be.
I haven't got a clue how to open it, see, that's the trouble, see. Maybe I'll cut the tape first, don't I?
Apparently. Oh yeah, cut both sides and it'll open up, man. You got it, man.
Oh, look at that.
You got it.
Oh, look at that, man. Instruction manual.
Might need that.
And we've got some, I don't know what they are, some gloves. They ain't chainsaw resistant. Spare chains. There's your blade. Oh, we've got a chain sharpener as well. Sharpen the chain.
Probably.
Alright. This is the main dude by the look of him.
Ooh.
Safety guard, safety switch. This is a chain tensioner, I think this is. Or you might be able to, I think you can angle the blade. I'll see the battery goes on the back. Oil in there.
Alright, so.
Just got to plug it into a tree now to charge it up.
Find the right tree, get some charge in it.
Alright, battery.
Oh, you got two batteries there?
Two batteries, yeah. Should be. Well, we've got 93% in there.
Ah.
That's cool. Alright then.
Right, we'll get this set up, put some oil in it, and
you'll have a go.
Give it a bash.
Excellent about that for the fire.
Very first cut. Hey, oh wow, that was actually easier than using the saw, I suppose, wasn't it?
There you go.
Alright, so yeah, we've done these cuts here. That's only the small blade, mind.
Yeah, 6-inch blade, we've got an 8-inch blade.
That's the 6-inch one. We have got an 8-inch one. That's obviously 2 inches bigger than that.
No.
Quick maths, look. See, I can do maths.
Mathematics.
So, it's alright. It's ideal for that, yeah. And that's brand new out the box. As you've seen, we haven't even charged the battery yet. I haven't had a chance, like. So, well, pretty good. Alright, so look at this pile of logs, man. What are we going to do with all these? This fire's blazing. We're not actually staying out today though. So we're going to have to stash them good for next camp. But yeah, thumbs up for the chainsaw. Much better with the 8-inch blade on it though. Blade, chain, whatever you call it. So we're going to leave the 8-inch on. And end up with a pile like that. We went through just one battery, bearing in mind it hasn't been charged. That was out of the box. Managed to, well, we've actually burnt it quite a lot actually. There's a lot on the fire too. So yeah, thumbs up for that for now. I just seen Dave up here. I don't know if you'll be able to see him. He's up round for there. He is. Oh, Dave the squirrel. He's here somewhere. See if we can find him, is it? I haven't seen him run up a tree yet. Dave! Oh, Dave! How do you call a squirrel? Pretty sure you don't call him Dave, do you? Ain't holding up much hope, guys, to be fair. Oh, look at this tree. It's a weird one, isn't it? One bark. Split into two. That is a proper airview tree. Right. Well, I can't find him, so I'm going to head back to camper. Right, it's actually a cracking day. Let's check the old temperature. Yeah, about 15-16 degrees. Makes a change. Yeah, summer's definitely on its way. I can't wait to be able to change my sleeping bag for a start and not have to carry that big thick winter one. That's going to be epic. I'll make my bag a lot more user friendly. Right. Still no sign of Dave. Don't know where he went. But he has been at our camp. Because when I came in, there was all stuff all over my kitchen area. Right, I think out of this old dead tree, I think Flack ought to make a totem pole. We was talking about it earlier. He should do some carvings with his chainsaw. Alright, so just about to get the breakfast of champions down us. Nice bit of spam in my new kitchen area. Alright, so after that spam, it's time for a cup of coffee. But whew, yeah, need a little table in my kitchen area. It'll be mint. But yeah, this oops, little chainsaw thing, especially with the 8-inch, on it, is pretty awesome. And we got right through this one here. You can't really see on camera, but it is pretty thick, like. It's obviously a tad under 8 inches, but I'm going to use it to chop some of those littler ones up now. While I'm waiting. It's way in the distance over there. That's where the motor is. It's a dead end little track, and a van just drove down there. I haven't had any SOS calls on the radio, so that's good. However, I can see the lads just about, I think. So we can't put that box on the fire, it's too big, it'll make too much mess, so we're going to take that out with us. My kitchen stand thing is at it. So snapped, and I'm going to make a proper one anyway. I might even use some paracord on it. Alright, so there's your update for now. Oh, we're playing craps actually. I think it's called craps. Whatever. Playing some dice games we are. Alright, I'll catch you in a while. Give you an update. Okay, update is, it's a couple of dudes out camping as well, so they're just down the way there. So the boys have just gone down to see if they want some of that wood we chopped up, because we're not going to burn it all. We've still got a massive pile there and some there, so yeah, take some wood down to them, and we'll find out the story. Alright, yeah, the only trouble with this place, it is a good spot, however, it's just like the only spot that's around for miles, to be fair. Especially the summertime now. Winter time we don't see anyone up here camping, but in the summer it can get quite busy. It's not as big as it looks, this forest, believe it or not. It is in the middle of nowhere, so we have got that going for it. We don't get, you know, that many undesirables. As to say, it is mostly people out just camping. But anywho, still, we'll see what's happening. Still got the radio on, so I haven't heard anything off him, which is good. Just chuck some logs on that fire, drink my coffee, wait for the boys to come back. Alright, so I just can't clean my mess tin. One thing I hate is getting mess tins dirty, but that's clean enough now to go away. Back in the bag. I'll obviously wash it when I get home properly, but yeah, what do you do? Get some pine cones, get some stick, chuck it in there with a bit of water, give it a scrub. Turns out like that, brand new. Mint. Okay, so here's what lives in my mess tin all the time. Some 3-in-1 coffees, just a couple, just in case. Some pasta and sauce, and 2 packs of noodles. That'll do me 2-3 days if I need to. So I'll do a bit more coffee in there, but there's always other stuff in the bag as well, because this front compartment is my food pouch. So we have in there, always have some cheesy mash, That is good. And spam, however, we just eaten the spam, so gonna have to restock that. But that's always in my mess tin, ready to go, no matter what we have. No matter what I buy, no matter what we bring, that's always there. It's back up. Alright, so and the same with the brew kit. We've got the mug, small gas canister fits in there. Always we 2 coffees in there, just to make sure. And I always got the little stove in there, so that lives in there as well. It packs away into there. That is the main coffee brew bag. Like, there's loads of coffees in there and my other stove and whatnot, but this always in my bag, always in my everyday bag as well. Actually, I transfer it to my big bag when I come up here, but that's in my everyday bag. Alrighty then, so they've just taken the rest of the wood down to them. Seem tidy enough. Oh, there's the speaker. Right, so we'll catch you in a more, probably on the way out. I don't think we're doing much more now, to be fair. Alright, that is going to do it for this video, guys. Okay, so that's going to do it for this video. Leave you with that spectacular view. Well, I think it is anyway. It looks nice. Yeah, a few things left to pack away. Most of the stuff is away. That's gonna come down. I'm gonna make a proper one, like I mentioned earlier. Fire is out. We're gonna cover that up in a minute. We put some more water on it. But yeah, what's your verdicts on our chainsaw head? Packer, innit?
Well, first impressions is I like it.
Yeah.
It's a very useful tool today.
Oh yes. And the trouble is, it doesn't fit in the box with the 8-inch blade on. But we're not going to be bringing the box. But yeah, quite impressed by that. You've got to buy oil separate though. We got that from Screwfix for about £5. So okay, if you did enjoy the video, guys, you know what to do. Hit that button down below, smash that bell, and join us for another one soon. Take care, bye for now. Right, there we go, and let's go. Saddle up now, and we're out here. Check out the lambs. Hello little lambs.